In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Snowflake ID. Whether you're just starting out with Snowflake or looking to clarify a few details, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, let's begin by logging into Snowflake and navigating to the Worksheets tab within Snowsite. If you're familiar with this interface, you know it's where all the magic happens when it comes to querying your data. If you haven't been here before, think of it as your main workspace. You'll find it on the main menu after logging in. Once you're there, click to add a new worksheet. This step is essential because it gives you a fresh canvas to work with and keeps your queries organized. As you create your worksheet, be sure to set up your database, schema, and warehouse. This ensures that your session is directed to the correct environment for running your queries. Now, with your worksheet set up, you're going to need a specific SQL snippet. This snippet is like a key. It will unlock the information you need about your account. Simply copy and paste the following SQL command into your worksheet. Select Current Account. As account locator, current account name. As account name, current organization name. Current account name. As account identifier. Let's break down this snippet a bit so it's clear. Current account will return what we can call your legacy ID, which might look something like a coded number, like XY12345. Current account name fetches your account name within your organization. Finally, by concatenating your organization name with your account name, the snippet creates an account identifier in a preferred modern format, which is org_name_account_name. This format is often more intuitive and easier to manage, especially when dealing with multiple accounts. With your SQL command ready in the worksheet, it's time to execute or run this query. Look for the Run button, which might be represented by a play arrow, and click it. Snowflake will process your request, and the results pane will display the relevant IDs. Here, you'll see all three identifiers side by side: the account locator, account name, and the account identifier. Depending on your need, you can choose and use the one that fits your purpose best. This simple process helps you access fundamental identifiers in Snowflake and ensures you can handle your organizational data with confidence and ease. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. With these skills, you're better equipped to manage and identify your accounts efficiently. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.